Hello everyone, welcome back to our English for Beginners course. Today is Lesson 10, and our topic is travel and transportation. Travel is something we all do in daily life, whether it's going to school, visiting a friend, shopping, or even going on a holiday. Knowing the right English words and sentences will help you ask for directions, buy tickets, and travel with confidence. By the end of this lesson, you will learn travel, vocabulary, bus, train, ticket, station, airport, etc. How to ask and give directions, useful phrases for buying tickets and taking transport, polite travel questions and answers, practice dialogues for real-life travel situations. So, let's start. Part 2. Travel and transportation vocabulary with examples. Repeat after me. Car. I drive a car. Bus. I take the bus to school. Train. The train is fast. Taxi. I called a taxi. Airport. The airport is very big. Station. The bus station is near my house. Ticket. I bought a ticket. Map. I need a map. Flight. My flight is at 9 p.m. Baggage, luggage. My luggage is heavy. Passport. Don't forget your passport. Destination. Paris is my destination. Journey. The journey took 2 hours. Subway, metro. I take the subway every morning. Traffic. There is heavy traffic today. Bus stop. The bus stop is across the street. Ticket counter. Buy a ticket at the counter. Taxi driver. The taxi driver is friendly. Seat. My seat is by the window. Platform. The train leaves from platform 2. Part 3. Asking for directions. Here are some useful questions. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Excuse me, how can I get to the airport? Which way to the train station? How far is the hotel? Can you show me on the map? And here are useful answers. Go straight, turn left, turn right. It's near here. It's far. Take a taxi. It's about 10 minutes by bus. Practice with me. I will ask. You will answer. Teacher. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? You say, go straight and turn right. Teacher. Excuse me, how can I get to the airport? You says, take a taxi. It's 30 minutes. Part 4. Buying tickets. Dialogue practice. Here's a short conversation at a ticket counter. Anna, excuse me, I need a ticket to New York. Clerk. One way or round trip? Anna, one way please. Clerk. That will be $50. Anna, here you go. Clerk. Thank you. Here is your ticket. Anna, thank you very much. Part 5. At the airport. Important words and phrases at the airport. Check-in counter. I checked in at the counter. Boarding pass. Here is my boarding pass. Gate. The gate is number 5. Departure. My flight departs at 10 a.m. Arrival. The plane arrives at 2 p.m. Customs. I went through customs. Security. I passed security check. Dialogue practice. Passenger, excuse me, where is gate number 10? Airport staff. It's this way. Please follow the signs. Passenger. What time does the flight depart? Airport staff. It departs at 9:30. Part 6. Real-life travel situations. Here are some ready-to-use sentences. I need a taxi. How much is the fare? Can I pay by card? When is the next bus? Does this train go to London? How long does the journey take? I would like a ticket to Paris, please. Which platform does the train leave from? Could you help me with my luggage? I am lost. Can you help me? Part 7. Longer dialogue, practice at the bus station. David, excuse me, does this bus go to the city center? Driver? Yes, it does. Please get in. David, how much is the ticket? Driver. $2. David, here you go. Driver, thank you. Take a seat. Practice mode. Now you will be David, and I will be the driver. Part 8. Practice exercise for viewers. Now it's your turn. Write your answers in the comments below. How do you usually travel to school or work? Which transport do you prefer? Bus, train, or car? Why? Imagine you are at the airport. What will you say at the check-in counter? Example answers. I go to school by bus. I prefer the train because it is fast. At the counter, I will say, I would like to check in. Here is my passport. Part 9. Summary and review. Today we learned travel and transportation, vocabulary, asking and giving directions, buying tickets, and talking at the airport, real-life dialogues for travel situations. Well done. You are learning step by step. Part 10. Closing and next lesson preview. That's all for Lesson 10. Travel and transportation in English. Don't forget to practice by repeating today's dialogues out loud. Write your practice sentences in the comments. Share this video with a friend who also wants to learn English. In the next lesson, Lesson 11, we will talk about shopping in English. Part 2, clothes and market phrases. That will be very useful, so stay tuned. Subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss it. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson.